Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access and a snapshot. Ensure you have admin or developer permissions because you will change runtime logic. Once done, export the current algorithm configuration as a JSON backup or create a version tag so you can revert. Next, open the Apeuni console and go directly to Algorithms My Models. This gets you to the edit interface without delay. Make sure to note the active deployment ID and any linked data pipelines before editing. You will now change the algorithm code or tweak parameters, focusing on small, testable commits. Edit in the built-in editor or sync from your local repository, and run unit and integration tests with representative sample datasets to confirm performance and correctness. Once tests pass, deploy to a staging environment in Apeuni so you can validate real pipelines and monitoring metrics. While validating, watch latency, memory, and output variance, because those reveal hidden regressions. You finish by promoting the validated staging version to production using an incremental rollout to limit impact. Make sure to monitor logs, error rates, latency, and a /b results closely for the next 24 to 72 hours so you can detect subtle issues early. If you see major regressions or data drift, revert immediately to the exported JSON or previous version tag to restore service. Troubleshooting tip: check data schema mismatches first. Most runtime failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.